Starting in your Angular Monorepos root, let's look at the package.json file. Here, the key private is set to true, preventing any accidental publishing of this multi-package repo to npm. The Workspaces key identifies all folders under packages as individual workspaces. By setting up scripts, you can use yarn workspaces run followed by the script name to execute commands across all workspaces. Lastly, a shared dependency is added, available to all the workspaces. When adding a new library, such as Lodash, you can specifically target a workspace, here dubbed package A, within your Monorepo. Use the yarn workspace command followed by the workspace name and add to include the new package. This ensures that the addition is scoped to the workspace, enabling precise and managed dependency updates. To install dependencies for all your packages, run yarn install from the root of your Monorepo. Yarn Workspaces is intelligent enough to create symlinks for shared dependencies, allowing multiple projects to use the same package without the need for duplicate installations. This conserves both disk space and installation time, streamlining your development process.